guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we are doing a makeup look using the Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. I recently hauled this in my last Sephora and ABH haul, and yeah, I definitely wanted to give this a palette a try. The shades are stunning and I feel like this look came out really pretty. So if you're interested to see how I created this look using this palette, then stay tuned. As an overall green look, I really love it. My only downfall while doing this look was I wish there was a lighter brown shade as a transition color in this palette. I feel like I just needed a nice taupey light brown for a transition and I would be set. So I went really light-handed with Sour Diesel just because I needed to buff out Space Queen. But again, that is my only with this palette. Other than that, I feel like the look as a whole is super pretty. The pigmentation was really nice. It paid off. They all blended out really great. And yeah, it worked really well as a nice cut crease. So I'm really happy with the look and the way it turned out. So what do you guys think of this palette in action? What do you think of the overall look? If you have this palette, what do you think of yours? I just felt like sitting down and putting on some makeup with you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.